This is Jim Sawyer for capitalismandcrisis.org. In our last episode, Professor Robinson was reflecting on how to make capitalism great again, concluding, America must get its plow horse, too long sidelined as a hobby horse, back into the field. Quite simply, Joan says, it's about strengthening productivity of the American economy. It's about weakening wealth-hoarding schemes, about delivering knockout punches to fraud. This is the only route to making capitalism great again, she says. It's the only sure path to making America great again. From their booth at the back of Cafe Crypt, Grandpa, the non-economist, collects his thoughts and then moves purposefully to summarize what his two economist companions have been saying. Nearby, a zombie wannabe fantasizes about becoming the bride of Frankenstein. Well, let's start at the beginning, Grandpa says assertively. The grand intent of capitalism, he reflects, is to align the self-interest of individuals with community interest, with the common good. This monumental task, crafted amid simpler times over 2 centuries ago, was more achievable compared to complexities we now face: globalization, high finance, cutting-edge technology. Of course, doctrinal glitches play a huge role, especially recently. Capitalism's profit lacuna fails to specify what the profit reward to capitalists should be, therefore also what tax and regulatory disincentives should be imposed to dissuade, to stop pseudo-capitalists. Who are these folks anyway, he asks rhetorically. They are the ones who wear the capitalist mantle, but without actually aligning themselves, aligning self-interest with productive economic strategies that enhance the community's good. Grandpa continues, late in the 18th century, in subsistence-level societies such as Adam Smith's Scotland, the singular task was to increase tangible wealth, that is, to raise community living standards above subsistence levels. And lo, it worked, he exudes. By the dawn of the 20th century, by taking a page from doctrinal capitalism's enabling playbook, much of Europe and North America was able to move beyond subsistence, move toward monumental economic breakthroughs. Hooray for capitalism, Grandpa exudes. 2 cheers for capitalism. But why just 2? Where's the 3rd cheer? Adam asks. Well, we're waiting to see if capitalism is worthy of cheer number 3, Grandpa retorts. Worthy if, only if, America deals with its huge hobby horse problem. Worthy only if devastating wealth-hoarding effects associated with the profit lacuna are recognized and then faced head-on. What's a recognizable face of pseudo-capitalism? Grandpa asks. Look no further than this sitting U.S. president. Donald Trump participated in dubious tax schemes during the 1990s, including instances of outright fraud that greatly increased the fortune he received from his parents, an investigation by the New York Times reveals. Back in the day, Grandpa laments, when the undisputed economic goal was less financial manipulation and more enablement of real community-oriented wealth building, emphasis seemed to be upon this vision, that a rising tide can lift all boats, but no more. That perceived mission no longer is held universally. Now it appears to be on life support. Indeed, our country is at an impasse, he laments. Will we aspire to ever more financialization? Rather than legitimate investment, will we aspire to ever more gilded consumerism? Or on the other hand, might our common mission shift to converge around the production of useful public goods? Goods such as clean air, clean water, and affordable higher education. In Great-Grandpa's day, he says, we didn't need much of a visionary roadmap. Now we do. Now our country must double down on figuring out what our mission shall be going forward. Now we must weed out non-productive economic strategies. Society's task at hand, says Grandpa, is not unlike determining mission for a giant nonprofit. Now society's contemporary economic mission must become explicit. The common good must be spelled out definitively. Then Grandpa's face turns a bit ashen, unusual for a zombie, Since zombies have a peculiar dead look anyway, one would suppose. It's impossible, says Grandpa. America's economic task is impossible. It's impossible without first solving political gridlock. It's impossible without first sorting through and dispensing with political hyperpartisanship. After extended reflection, however, Grandpa bellows, This still is the United States of America. Our task may be impossible in the moment, but it shall not remain impossible forever. Our forebears succeeded at the American experiment against profound odds, even more overwhelming than toxic hyperpartisanship in our time. Indeed, our tradition as Americans has been to succeed even against odds that at times appeared unwinnable. So please close with me on this note. Grandpa appeals to his listeners, even as he realizes he is now addressing a near-empty room. The difficult, he ponders, Americans have always solved immediately. But the impossible? Well, the impossible merely takes Americans more time. This is Jim Sawyer for CapitalismInCrisis.org, home of Zombienomics.